What's up, everybody? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today is the day we're actually going to go ahead and take the Altima back to stock. It's been a nice long journey, but we're about to go ahead and do it. The homie Ryan is on the way now. I'm still working, so I'm not going to be able to record everything, but I'm going to do the best that I can and see what we can get. So go ahead and do it. Right now I have it in the garage, so finally cleared space enough for it to be parked in the garage, and he's gonna be working mostly in the garage. Might have half of the car out, depends on how he wants to do it, but it is cold out here, so you probably do it in the garage. Here we go. And when I say it's cold by our standards. They say it's 45, but with the wind chill it's about 37 how it feels. But yesterday it was in the high 70s, so it definitely is pretty cold for us. But yeah, this is it. I'm aired up in the garage, so we'll see what he needs when he gets here. Yeah, I'm scared to show the rest of that crap, but once we get this out the way, we'll be able to finish moving all of that stuff. Alright, I pick up the camera a little bit. Homie Ryan is getting to it. It's a little cold right now. I'm doing a quick little break so the door's closed again, but already knocking it out. I think I'm going to end up leaving the steering rear diffuser on because it is screwed onto the bumper, so I don't want to have those screw holes on the bumper, so I'm gonna leave that on there. Probably gonna leave these on there too because it's probably glue stuck on the other side, and it's not like I'm about to use them again or even resell them, so leaving that on there. But look, these are the same tires I've had the entire time I've had these wheels. I've had these for what, a little over 2 years. It's pretty wild considering how bad I was going through tires. I'm telling you, these alignments, they do wonders. Shout out to the homies. I have a new sticker. I'm gonna have to find it in our stuff, but it'll be going on the next car. But yeah, of course, front lips coming off, side skirts coming off, wrap is gonna be peeled up, the grill is gonna be swapped to the stock one over there. The underglow is actually tied to the side skirts, so that'll be off then. I'm going to leave the star headliner in. Probably gonna leave the footrest lights too. I legit have another one, and I bought the other one for like $4 or $5 on Prime Day, so I'm probably just gonna leave those in there anyway. So I'll let him know that. Don't need to pull that out. What else? I think that's about it. I mean, he's working on pulling the air out in the trunk and clearing all of that. That's the main stuff. Suspension is the biggest, and then the trunk stuff is gonna be next. Got the part there for the lining, and then I have the actual mat in the back of the car, so I'll be taking these stickers off. I'll probably take the stickers off. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'll take the stickers off. I might leave a few on there because it's always cool for when they do have the service people, having them hit me up like, hey, I see your car, because that's what happened with my last Altima. I left my Instagram on there and my YouTube, and they ended up following, so I probably leave a couple of them on there. But yeah, I'll update you when we have a little more progress. Alright, so the back to stock is not done. The suspension is mostly done. I have the stock suspension back in. So another thing that's not coming off, I think I mentioned it, but I'm not going to take the rear diffuser off, but the exhaust. I'm going to keep the vibrant mufflers and exhaust tips on, and that's mostly because I don't have the stock ones, and it ain't that big of a deal. It wasn't like I paid a whole bunch for it, so that's gonna be fine to stay on there. I should be peeling that off here pretty soon, the top. But I'm actually about to go meet up with the homie. Probably seen the video before this one, so yeah, I haven't really tested the car since this has been taken out. So I'm probably gonna be hearing this moving around. But here we go. I'm not taking this off. I'm gonna leave that. Keeping these on because the adhesive under this is looks better than that. The matte anyway, so you can keep that. Keeping the door handles on. Keeping the rear diffuser on, of course. But yeah, she's pretty much back to stock. I don't have my keys on me. I was gonna check the trunk. I think I do still need to put the trunk mats back in. But that's about it for that. I don't think I'm gonna take the stickers off. They can do that. But yeah, here she goes. We're going to look at a few cars tomorrow. But definitely shout out to the homie Ryan for getting it back to stock. I do still have the headliner in. That's gonna stay in. I was thinking about taking the module out, but I'm like, I mean, if it's already in there, might as well just leave it for them. And if they don't like it, they can take it out. But yeah, I know it's been quite the journey. Been in the Altima since what, 2014, 2015, somewhere around there. If you count my 2013 that I had. So it's definitely been a long run with the Altima community. And it is finally about to be over. Still have enough homies with Altimas that, I mean, I'm not gonna be too far away from it. And then I got a bunch of family members with Altima, so definitely not escaping any, but I'll definitely be still showing the homies. Franz still got Bandit, so we still gonna have Altimas represented, so don't get me wrong, but you'll see me branching out a little more. I'm actually gonna start trying to go out to some of the BMW homies meets, whether I have one or not, because the community, the BMW community, is pretty amazing here in Central Florida, and I definitely want to link up with those guys because I've been connected with a bunch of them online on YouTube and Instagram, and I am a big fan. So even if I don't end up with a BMW, you'll definitely be seeing some BMW content, so definitely stay tuned. I know we got Beamer Invasion coming up in February sometime, so I'm gonna shoot to go to that. Definitely won't be entering any kind of car, but I'm definitely going to be trying to show up there, get to meet the guys in person. But yeah, like I said, this is the end of the road here. I believe my next video will be me test driving some cars. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get what I'm going to go check out tomorrow, but we'll at least have some footage of that. I'm scheduled to take a look at 3 different cars, but it's also in the order of the ones that I want to the ones that I least want. So if all goes well, the first car will be the only stop, but we will see, because that car is like 2 hours away. But yeah, before we end this video, I want to go ahead and do the comment of the day. And the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, and who knows, you may be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.